1969 Chevrolet Camaro, now for sale here at MGM Classic Cars. My name is Thomas. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. I know we're getting close to 60,000 subscribers, and I am honored and thankful for you guys subscribing and seeing all my cars that come in on a day-to-day basis here at MGM. So again, this is my 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. It does have the Z28 badges, but unfortunately not a real Z28. But this is a real SS car. Now, why would someone do that? Why would they take off the SS badging and put on the Z28 badging? Don't get it. I'll prove to you that it is a real Super Sport by the cow tag, which we'll go over when I pop the hood and we'll check the firewall numbers. But in the meantime, this is a restored 69 Camaro, guys. Underneath is in very nice condition. Body panels, newer paints, beautiful grille, trim, newer chrome, newer trim, newer glass, newer door handles, weather stripping, red line tires, rally wheels, and the list goes on and on. I'm walking the car because I want you guys just to obviously pay attention to the body gaps. They're all in pretty good condition. Whoever restored this car did a great job. Hats off to them. Like I said, the paint, the Cortez Silver paint, is near excellent condition all around the Camaro. I'm gonna pop the hood. I want you guys to check that out. So on the 69 Camaro, it's right in here. Right there. Hold on. Under the hood is a 383 stroker motor. GM stroker motor, 5.7 liter, that has been bored and stroked to a 383. It's got the Edelbrook Performer RPM aluminum heads, the Edelbrook Performer aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb, upgraded MSD ignition, power steering, power disc brakes, and all new hoses. Inner fenders have been painted gloss black. Firewall is nice and clean. Under the hood is matte black. Look at this core support. Look how clean that is. Now the stoppers, I ordered them, okay? And a few other little things that I've ordered for the car. All right, I'm gonna leave this open because I'm gonna start the car in a little bit. But as far as it being an SS, right there, X44, that tells you that it is a real Super Sport car, okay? Argent latches. Argent silver. Do you know what that means? Do the research. That tells you whoever restored this car knew that, how they came from GM. Look how clean this cowl is here, guys. It's painted silver as well, all the way through. Okay? All the trim, paint, in great condition, including the weather stripping, as you can see. Door lips are in great condition, along with the weather stripping. Underneath the doors are solid, no rust there. Interior, very good condition. Brand new door panels, as you can see. I ordered the trim for here, okay? And I ordered the trim piece for here as well. New door sill plates. There is a little rip here. If you want that fixed, let me know. My guy can come in for about 150 bucks and fix that. Steering column painted silver as well, guys. Billet for the turn signals. 3-spoke aluminum steering wheel. Factory center console. New dash pad. I have the dome light there. I just got the wiring done. We'll install the dome light. Beautiful back seat. And nice package tray. Same on the other side. The trunk has been restored as well. This car does have a 12-bolt Posi. Let's fire it up. All right, guys. Let's go for a cruise. So all the cars here at MGM Classic Cars are owned by us. We are not a consignment shop. That's why our prices are good. All the cars will be placed through our service department before we ship them or you pick them up. So keep that in mind. Our mechanics will go through them. The car brakes well, steers well. It's tuned really nice. A lot of traffic today. Transmission feels good. And it's very smooth. Power steering feels good too. So we're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway Airport. If you guys want to stop by and check out the cars in person, not a problem. We welcome you. All cars are sold in as-is condition, guys. If you need financing and if you're scored between like 640 and 770, you will need $6,000 down and good credits. You can find the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Rates start at about 8%. If you're a higher score than 770, call or text me and I'll get you the information for that application through one of my private lenders, or public lenders, should I say. And rates do start at 8.25%. Low payments, long terms. Oh yeah, this 383 stroker is putting out at least, I don't know, I'd say 425 horse easily. If you need delivery, call or text me as well with your zip code, and I'll get you a quote right to your driveway. Enjoy the ride, guys. Beautiful paint, nice reflection. What a beautiful day. So if you need delivery, you can call or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. good too, guys. All the suspension parts has been redone as well. Oh. We're gonna put the car up on the lift, take pictures of underneath, show you guys how clean this car really is. This brown building to my right is full of classic cars. That's where they're located, at 150 South Church. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. Hope you guys enjoyed your time with me here. Have a great day.